Fable 5 is currently the absolute best AI model in the world right now. And what if I told you that you can literally use this premium beast of a model completely free for 30 days? Yeah, I am not kidding around. Let me show you exactly how to unlock this secret cheat code. Alright, so simple step number 1. Go to Google and search for GitLab. Click on the very first link. For those who don't know, GitLab is a platform very similar to GitHub, and they just set up a massive partnership with Anthropic. Because of that, you can actually access premium Claude models directly inside their dashboard. Just go to the top right and click on Get Free Trial. Do a normal quick sign up just like you do for any other app on your desktop, and then click Continue to GitLab. Now, when you first log in, you will see this developer dashboard interface. Look, don't get scared or overwhelmed by seeing all these buttons and menus. It is actually super simple to use. And check it out right here on the screen. We officially have a 30-day free trial loaded into our account. Now, let me show you how to pull up the actual AI brain. Head over to the sidebar on the right, click on the chat icon, and expand the chat window. Inside the chat bar, you will see a model selection drop-down menu. Click on that, type in Fable in the search box, and boom, Claude Fable 5 is right there. Just click it to select it, hit enter, and that is literally all you have to do to set up the most powerful model on Earth. Now, I want to create something quick just to find out if this is actually working properly or if it's just hype. So, I'm going to feed it a prompt to build a classic Flappy Bird game from scratch. Now, look, I know Claude Fable 5 is an absolute monster capable of coding way more advanced full-stack systems, but this is a quick testing video, so let's keep it simple. I'm going to type out this exact prompt. Create a simple Flappy Bird game using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript inside a single file. I hit generate and the model instantly starts analyzing and coding. Look at how fast it spits out the raw syntax. Once it finishes generating the code block, I click the copy icon, then simply press Win+R, open up your basic notepad, and paste the full code right into a new file. To run this on your computer, click on File, hit Save As, and choose your save location. Now, make sure you go to the Save As Type drop-down menu and change it from text documents to all files. I'll name the file flappybird.html and hit Save. Let's go to our desktop, double-click the file to open it in our web browser, and test it out. Okay, I'm playing it right now, and look, the base game is running correctly, but obviously, because our first prompt was so short, there are a few features missing. The bird just kind of drops. Let's make it highly addictive. Even though the baseline was accurate, we want a proper game. So I'm going to use this strict follow-up prompt to see how well Claude Fable 5 handles specific feature updates. Improve the Flappy Bird game. Add spacebar control to make the bird jump. Add proper collision physics with the pipes and the ground. Add a custom game over screen with a final score display and a restart button. Make the game start only after the user clicks the screen or presses the spacebar. And just to push the multimodal details, I'm going to type at the very end, please also add relevant sound effects and a background music track using basic web audio APIs. I hit generate, it cooks for a few seconds, and delivers the updated code. I copy the new prompt output, go back to our same notepad file, overwrite everything, and hit save. Let's refresh our browser tab and play it again. And wow, the game is completely transformed. The spacebar control feels incredibly snappy. The collision detection with the moving green pipes is pixel perfect. And when I crash, boom, a beautiful game over screen pops up with my score and a working restart button. To make it look like a premium arcade game, I'll throw in one last styling prompt, which you can see right now on the screen, save it, and here is the final result. Look at the smooth transitions and custom assets. It is beautiful. So guys, that is how you can easily access and test the brand new Claude Fable 5 completely free for a whole month. This model is a total beast, and honestly, I haven't even scratched the surface of what it can do yet. Go ahead, jump into GitLab, grab your free trial, and test your own wild ideas this weekend.